Hello everyone. Klarna makes shopping easy. But did you know you can set up one-time purchases with their card? Today, I will show you how to quickly enable this feature. So now let's get started. Begin by opening the Klarna app on your mobile device. Log in using your registered credentials. If you don't have the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Now on the app's home screen, find and tap on the one-time card option. Klarna will guide you through creating a virtual card for your upcoming purchase. Now provide the exact amount and retailer name for the purchase. Klarna generates a unique virtual card linked to your account with the specified limit. This ensures safe and secure transactions. Now once your virtual card is ready, copy the card details and use them at the online store's checkout. Enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV as you would with any credit card. After the purchase, Klarna will split the payment into manageable installments. You can view and manage these payments directly in the app, ensuring you stay on top of your finances. And that is how you quickly set up one-time purchase on your Klarna card. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.